언제나 함께 있었음 해 모든 게 다 통하니까 Feels like daydreaming 너와 있을 땐 난 I love my life 사라지지 말아.
Ay. Guys, we're golfing.
Pang IG story mo, pang IG story mo to. IG story mo siya.
Yeah. Yeah, or club ba?
Or club ba?
Malapit na. Rolling.
Funny.
Nagdami ka.
Whatever.
So, this is okay.
Hoy, I did one!
Galing ka.
Ay, ang cute naman ni Harley.
Go, Kylie, go!
Good job, Kylie. You're doing amazing.
Sweetie! Na 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 na.
Sana mag-kiss.
Hi guys, we're going party! We're back!
Hi guys.
What can you say about your experience?
It's like my second time. This is much better than the first time because the first time, it didn't even like live. But today naman it kinda did.
Yes,
So,
good job, good job.
My coach today, this time is better than me. Sophia Cabanillo. 2K kapag foreigner, 1K kapag local.
Okay. On your mark. 2, 1, go! I have faith. Next week na yung swim. OA na natin. Sobra namang active ng lifestyle.
Guys, college is ending na kasi.
Alam mo, minamadali mo.
No, it's like less than a year.
It's milky. Which makes sense kasi matcha milk. It's a straw pala. What's your drink?
Cloudy drink.
Which
It's just sweet. I don't know.
Hi guys! It's day 2 of being active.
Day 2 of 2.
This time, jog naman sa UP.
We're supposed to go gym tomorrow.
Yeah.
Pero si Sof sabi niya, ayoko mag-gym, ayoko mag-gym.
To be fair, mayroon akong class kasi na online. Tapos, di ko alam anong oras siya matatapos. And, pupunta pa ako Katipunan. So, next time na lang. Yay!
Hot girl summer.
Tama. Get that body. Hi guys! So, today is April 4. It's Friday. I know I haven't vlogged in like a hot minute. It's just because I've been so busy and overwhelmed with school. Especially the past few days. Like, I just wanted to debrief. Kasi grabe, like this week, every day, I had the test. On Monday, I had an online philo quiz. Tuesday, there's no classes. Wednesday, I had my law midterms. Yesterday, I had my Opman midterms. And then, today, I have a Socksci and Econ LP. So, last night, after my Opman exam, which ended at like 9:30, pagka-uwi ko talaga, kain lang dinner, and then nag-aral ako until 2 AM. Was that crazy? Kasi sobrang jam-packed this week. Even if I have like not much sleep, sabi ko, let's just power through, let's power through. If you're having one of those days, it's going to end soon. It's going to end it. That's just like my mantra right now na everything will be over. Like, babakasyon na rin, Holy Week break na din. So, yeah. I hope you guys are doing well. So, that's basically my day. And yeah, I'm just so excited. Yes, wish me luck for my 2 exams today.
난 담배째를 또 태워도 나 생각 안 나 너의 모습이 또 하나 더 Take it slow baby Go with your own rhythm yeah I don't want you to just rush in No 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 생각 그만하자는 생각
Hi guys!
You don't need to tell me when to go
Hi vlog.
Tempo I don't wanna see you
OJ, we miss you. We're at UP Fair. Ano pa ako? We're waiting for JM and Gio. How are you?
Good. Ay, ikwento mo yung hair mo kanina.
Ay, I don't know narinig niyo ako, pero kanina, nakatambay lang kami nila Pri and Michelle. Tapos, may caterpillar. Caterpillar ba? May caterpillar sa hair ko. Imbes na tanggalin nila, sumisigaw, tapos pinicturean pa. Yay! Are you excited? Hi, vlog.
Excited! It's my favorite ride. Tapos PK kasi Skyrun.
Ako never ko pa siya na-try, so I'm excited.
Ay guys, we're gonna do the try not to scream.
Bawal. Oh my God.
Pero it's like so easy lang naman. Like this is just...
Ano lang. No screaming challenge ah. Walang sisigaw ah. How are you feeling? Me too. Woo! Gina, Gina!
Ang talat mo nga eh.
Uy, ate, ate! Yung 9! Bakit? Favorite Kyle again! Usual. Cheese mo, taste test. Easy. Or 9 yun, sarap. Ang challenger ng Mandaluyong City! Da, da, da. Ayun na, yun na, yun. Nag-strategize na! Nag-strategize na siya, guys. Will he get it?
To the left, to the left. Okay, when I raise this, delay. We scream.
Okay, go!
When do we do it? It's okay, practice. Team.
Ayan na! Hi guys! So today is a Tuesday, it's April 8 and today I'm going to Pilates. But first I'm going to school kasi doon ko na ipapark yung car since I have classes after Pilates and I'm going with my friend Praise. I'm so excited. It's your first Pilates.
It was really fun. Pero it was like, nakakagulat kasi it's like, really tiring pala. Kailangan talaga yung core, yung arm and yung legs.
Yeah.
Lahat.
That's actually, hindi naman strict, pero out of all the coaches I've tried, medyo strict yung coach. And iba yung exercise eh. Kasi, ewan ko, from my experience, siya lang yung gumamit talaga ng lahat ng equipment. Unlike the other coaches that I've tried.
What? Sulit ba?
Yeah, sulit na rin. Would you, repeat?
Yeah. Go do it.
Anong kinuha mo? What's that? Hi guys! So, funny story. Wala pala kaming class today. So, I'll be going home na. Literally just parked here para mag-Pilates. Grabe. But yeah, I'll be going home and then I'll go back na lang later kasi I have to attend. I will attend a talk sa, NBLC. Show support, syempre, because my friends are hosting the event. We'll be the MC. So, dali to go home kasi mas productive ako dun. And para dun na din ako mag-lunch kasi gumastos na ako, nag-Pilates na ako, nag-Jamba Juice na ako, sobra na yung gastos. Umuwi na lang tayo. So, I'm looking for shelves for my bags. Gotta go my own way. Getting this now. Hi guys, so today is April 15, it's Tuesday. I'm going to my Pilates class, which is just like a few walks away. And yeah, I'm so excited because today I'll be doing a class with my friends. So excited! Sila Nicola and Sheena, since we haven't seen each other in a while. So yeah, we finally booked a Pilates class together since we've been wanting to schedule one together. So I'm so excited!
Yes, after one session. How about you, miss?
Oh my god, what your breathing? Hindi ko magkakabuti na rin ako. Feeling ko, iiyak ako. Pero ang sakit niya. Pero ang sarap pagkatapos.
Bye guys! Good workout.
Isang flower, maganda.
We're done taking pictures. Sobrang init sa araw.
I just want you to know when it's time to say yes. You don't need to tell me when to go. It's your own tempo.
Leg day again.